Okay, g'day again. Okay, just gonna a quick video. Most people doing electrical stuff would already know about how to do this, but in case, you're doing it for the first time, I'll make a quick video just to explain. This is how you remove wires from these sockets, move these terminals from these things. I've only just installed these, and I don't really like crimping things. I solder everything, but whether that's a good or bad thing, that's just the way I do it. And the issue I've got here is that I've just put all these terminals on. These are for my Volkswagen. These are the headlight wires. And I've got to put these two rubber grommets. So I'll stick them back down here. Yeah, I couldn't get the right size ones with holes in them, so I've got blanking grommets, and I've just used a hole punch to punch the holes. I mean, you can cut them with a knife or whatever, but a hole punch gives you a nice clean hole. And as I said, these are both got to go under this wire. It's got to go through the body in two places, and I could just cut these rubbers and put them on, except that it won't actually, the plug doesn't fit through the hole. It fits through the hole on the inside. I checked that. I actually had to, these had tang things on them so that you can mount them to the, screw them to the body. I cut them off. They fit through the inner holes, and but what I didn't realise, all the holes on the in here, they go through, they fit through there, no problem. But they don't fit through the hole in the headlight backing. So the only option now is to remove the plug. And having done this many times, I've actually got a little tiny screwdriver. I've ground it off very thin. And you notice it's actually curved just a touch. That's done for a reason also. So what you do, I'll show it on this one here. You see there's a little tab sticking up. Well, that's what holds them in. So, and in here, see the square slots on one side of the terminal. You put this little screwdriver down in there, and I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to show you because holding the phone at the same time. But you slide it down in that hole and you push this tab in. You get it down into the hole, and then you just push it that little bit until it flashes flat, and we'll pull it up. Let's see if I can do one for you whilst holding, one-handed whilst holding the phone. Okay, so we'll poke it down in that slot, push it all the way in. And get a little bit of a twist. And let's see if it'll pull out. Probably won't be able to do this one-handed. Probably push it out. Let's see if I got it loose. No, I haven't got it loose yet. I've got it enough. Should have put this fan on the stand so I could use two hands, but anyway, yeah, you get what I'm, yeah, you get the point anyway. Yeah, just need a little narrow, flat, but just using a flat screwdriver doesn't necessarily work because it's not long enough this way, and what it'll do, it'll bend all your terminal down. So yeah, you have it flat, just to be flat, long enough to reach the base of this tub. Anyway, there you go. So, just sort of show you. Okay, bye.